How to edit Instagram story after posting. Instagram does not have an option to edit your story. However, you can use this method. Firstly, open Instagram and go to your story section. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna put up a story. I'm gonna put a text called hello. Then click on done at the top right corner. You can resize your text. Now click on your story at the bottom. This will upload your story to your profile. Once your story is uploaded, it will look something like this. On the bottom right panel, you should see the more icon. Click on it and select save. Now if it's just a photo, then click on save photo. If it's a video, click on save story. Once you have done that, then delete your current story. After that, go to your story section again. Select your saved story. Now make changes to this story. Once you have done that, then you can simply post it again. That's all for today. Thank you.